how you can export your project as PDF in Figma. So this is very simple step-by-step tutorial. All you're gonna have to do is to just select your frame which you want to export as PDF. So for example, I got here this thumbnail. So select that frame. You can do it here in the left top corner or just do it here in layers. And now we want to, on the right, scroll down and find export selection. So click on this little plus, and now you have these options. You don't have to change anything on this left side, but we want to click here and select the PDF. As you can see, this cannot be changed. If you click on these three dots, you can see advanced export settings, and here are some more settings. The quality, you can change it to low or high as you want, image resampling, and if you want to include bounding box. So I'm not gonna change any of this, and I want to click on export thumbnail, and now we have to name that thumbnail. The name is gonna be like the frame's name, so I'm gonna keep that and click save. And now if I open my downloads, this is the frame saved as PDF, as you can see. Another way how you can do it is to just open your Figma project, and in your top menu bar, if you are on Mac, go to File, and down here find Export Frames to PDF. So simply click this option, and now select your color profile. Here are these options and the quality. I'm gonna click Export, but this time it's gonna export all the frames included in this project. So this is called Figma Basics, so it's gonna be also saved as Figma Basics by default. I'm gonna click save. Now if I check my downloads, here is the results, but as I said, it's gonna include all the frames in this project. So on the right side you can see each PDF, and that's basically how you can do it. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.